Welcome, animators. Let's dive into the world of AI animation tools. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the incredible world of AI animation tools. The world of AI animation is booming, offering exciting ways to transform ideas into visuals. Here are 5 top contenders that can handle text, image, and video to animation conversions, each with distinct strengths and limitations. These powerful programs are revolutionizing how we create videos, allowing anyone to transform text, images, and even existing videos into stunning animations. Now, with so many options, choosing the right tool can feel overwhelming. But fear not! We'll explore some of the top contenders, highlighting their features, pros, cons, and what kind of animations they excel at. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's unlock the potential of AI animation together. DeepMotion, unleashing lifelike character animation. First up, we have DeepMotion. This powerhouse focuses on AI-powered motion capture and animation. Imagine creating incredibly realistic character movements that mimic real-world physics. DeepMotion makes it possible. Pros for this tool. First, hyper-realistic characters. Breathe life into your animations with characters that move with stunning detail and natural physics. Second, effortless animation tools. Features like Animate 3D for markerless motion capture and SayMotion for text-to-animation streamline your workflow, saving you tons of time. Third, perfect for professionals. DeepMotion is ideal for creating high-quality educational or professional animations. Cons. First, character focus. While fantastic for characters, DeepMotion might not be the best choice for non-character-based projects like infographics or abstract animations. Second, learning curve. Mastering DeepMotion might require more time and technical knowledge compared to simpler tools.
Imagine a world where creating stunning 3D animations is as easy as describing your vision. Introducing SayMotion by DeepMotion, a revolutionary tool that goes beyond other generative AI animation tools designed for projects that demand true 3D animation. SayMotion harnesses generative AI and a decade of physics simulation and digital being experience to provide the depth and versatility of true 3D animations. With a simple prompt, intricate 3D motions are generated effortlessly in minutes, allowing you to export your animations and craft your stories. Take the director's seat, bringing digital actors to life with your words or even a video. Forget stock animations. Blend motions and direct movement as needed, meaning the output is fully bespoke. True 3D motion allows you to take your motions with you to wherever your digital worlds are rooted, and maintain your creative freedom as animators, game developers, VFX artists, digital creators, designers, and, finally, making animation accessible to anyone. Create complex 3D animations by merely expressing a thought. Imagine. Animate. Amaze. SayMotion by DeepMotion. Speak the vision. Now available for everyone.
Runway ML, unleashing your inner AI artist. Next, we have Runway ML. This platform isn't just an animation tool, it's a playground for creative exploration. With a vast array of AI tools for video editing, effects, and style transfer, Runway ML lets you push boundaries and create truly unique visuals. Pros. First, AI powerhouse. Experiment with a wide range of AI tools for video editing, creating mind-blowing effects and artistic flourishes. Second, unleash your creativity. Runway ML is perfect for artists and anyone who wants to explore the cutting edge of AI-powered video creation. Cons. First, technical knowledge needed. The interface can be a bit complex, requiring some understanding of AI concepts for optimal results. Second, processing power. Runway ML can be computationally expensive, leading to longer processing times for complex projects.
Welcome to Runway Academy. In this video, we're going to explore using Gen 2 with other Runway AI magic tools. Gen 2, which is a text-to-video model, can also be used with an input image as a reference for the generation. So let's start with the text-to-image tool inside of Runway. Generate an image that you want to bring to life with Gen 2, and then add it to your assets folder. Then select that image inside of Gen 2 and add a text prompt to go along with it. Now you have created a video using an image that you generated in Runway. After you create your video, try bringing it into super slow motion to extend the total clip time and give it extra frame interpolation, or text to LUT to give it a color treatment. You can also bring your video into the inpainting tool to clean up any artifacts or parts of the frame, or toss it into green screen to extract your creation from the scene or generate alpha mattes from it. With over 30 AI magic tools to choose from, the possibilities are endless. If you need any help, please use this button on your dashboard at any time.
Cber, AI-powered storytelling made easy. If you're looking for a user-friendly and fast way to create animations from text descriptions, then Cber is your champion. This beginner-friendly platform allows you to simply write what you want to see, and Cber's AI will transform it into high-quality video content. Pros. First, super user-friendly. Cber boasts a simple and intuitive interface, making it perfect for beginners or those who want a quick and easy animation workflow. Second, text-to-video magic. Simply provide your detailed text descriptions, and Cber will generate impressive animations based on your vision. Cons. First, limited control. While convenient, Cber offers less granular control over the animation style compared to some other tools. Fine-tuning your prompts might be necessary to achieve the exact visuals you desire. Neural frames, where text meets animation. Neural frames is another fantastic option for creating animations directly from text prompts. Designed specifically for animation and music video creation, Neural frames offers a sweet spot between ease of use and creative control. Pros. First, text-driven animation. Neural frames is built for creating animations from text descriptions, making it ideal for storyboarding and concept development. Second, balanced control. It offers a good balance between user-friendliness and customization options, allowing you to refine your animation style. Cons. First, limited scope. Compared to broader AI animation tools, Neural frames might be limited in the types of video content it can create. Second, evolving platform. Still under development, Neural frames' features and capabilities might be evolving, so stay tuned for future updates. Videoscribe, the whiteboard wizard. For those looking to create engaging explainer videos or presentations, Videoscribe is a fantastic choice. This tool specializes in whiteboard animations, a popular style known for its simplicity and effectiveness. Pros. First, simple and intuitive. Videoscribe's interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to create professional-looking whiteboard animations. Second, pre-made assets. A vast library of pre-made assets and templates is available to streamline your animation process and save you time. Cons. First, style focus. Videoscribe excels at whiteboard animation, limiting its use for other animation styles or creating complex visuals. Choosing the right tool. The best AI animation tool for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider these factors. Skill level. Are you a beginner or a seasoned animator? Project type. What kind of animation do you want to create? Character-based explainer video, artistic exploration. Desired control. How much control do you want over the animation style and details? Processing power. Do you have access to a powerful computer for rendering complex animations? By understanding your needs and the strengths and limitations of these AI animation tools, you can unlock new creative possibilities and bring your ideas to life with stunning visuals. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help support the channel. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue creating content for you all. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. See you next time.